Hey everybody, my name's Joe Jackson. I hadn't done a video in a while, but you searched how to kill mice or how to get rid of mice around chicken pens or around your house or whatever the case may be. But I wanted to come to y'all with a video. I'm going to start doing more videos again. It's been a little bit, so I appreciate y'all coming back to the channel to check out this review. But today I'm going to review this incredible mice killer. It's called d-LICIOUS. This stuff is amazing. It's also got a child and dog resistant bait station so that you can keep it away. Now I advise everybody to read the precautions on the back, follow the directions. I'm not telling anybody how to use it. I just use it and it is incredible. So it comes with little bitty cubes. It has a bait station. It comes with little bitty cubes that are individually wrapped. You put it inside the bait station, and then basically all you do is put it out wherever you want it. And so it goes in. It's got a little casing for it. It's got a hole in the bait, in the poison. Put it on top of that, and then just shut the bait station so nobody can get in it. And the only way to do it is to be able to push down on that button and release. That's why they're saying kids and dog food. But anyway, this stuff is amazing. You stick this out, they eat a little bit of this stuff, and they bring it back to the nest and it kills the colony. Rats are a pest. They bring diseases and all kind of stuff. So I regularly use this around my different animals, as well as in my shop here where I keep a lot of the feed and stuff. So I advise anybody that if you're looking for a good, a great mice killer, this is it. d-LICIOUS. It's done really well by me, and I use it all the time. So hopefully this video helped you a little bit for the search that you're looking for. And again, I'll be coming back regularly here, so I ask everybody to subscribe. Click the bell, the notification bell, so you can keep an eye on videos that are coming out. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, and I'll see y'all soon.